Hi there, my name's Mike, and in this short video, I'm going to demonstrate how you can use your Adobe TypeKit or Adobe Fonts in any Riddle quiz, personality test, or other interactive content. Now, first, you'll need to have a quiz or content. So once your content is created with questions and answers and so on, you'll want to go over to the design step and click on palette. Now in a Riddle, a palette is a collection of your saved fonts, colors, and other branding. So in this case, I have created an Adobe Fonts TypeKit palette. I'm going to customize that so you can see all the options you have. Now in my example, I am going to select a font. Now you can choose any of our, I think 35 or 40 preloaded fonts. But obviously for this example, we're going to use the use your own font. And you can choose from Google Fonts, fonts.com, use your own. But in this case, we're going to demonstrate how to use Adobe Fonts /TypeKit. Okay, you're next going to see Project ID. Now, in order to do that, you'll need to go to your Creative Cloud Adobe Fonts account. If you have a Photoshop, Illustrator, any sort of Adobe software, Creative Cloud and Fonts come included. So in this case, this is my example. I'm going to click on some fonts that I like. So basically just click on maybe this one, and I'm going to activate this font. And I'm also going to add it to a web project. Now, a web project is what is key to let Riddle talk to Adobe and display the font correctly. So in this case, I'm going to create a new project. I'm going to call it Adobe TypeKit Demo. And Adobe was called TypeKit, now they're called Adobe Fonts, but the principle is the same. Now, I've got my web project. I also have the font family name, and I'm going to copy both the name, the comma, the sans serif, and the semicolon. So I've copied that. And we're going to go back to Riddle and insert that into the font name. For bodies, you can use different fonts for each of these classes of fonts. So body text might be different than button text and so on. You're going to also want to get the project ID. So I'm going to edit my project. And I'm going to get this project ID. Now I'm going to delete this project after this demo because I don't want people to run up a lot of web traffic using this project ID. But basically click the, oops, let's try that again. Copy, paste, and see what happens here. Now Riddle can talk to Adobe and say, okay, I need to display this font for these characteristics. And that's pretty much all there is to it. Once you're done, you're going to want to click Save, and then save it as a palette. So I'm going to call this Adobe TypeKit Demo Palette. And that's all you have to using Adobe TypeKit with Riddle. This is a feature with our business and enterprise plans. If you have any questions about using custom fonts or Adobe Fonts, please use our support chat. We'd love to help out and are super fast to respond. All right, thanks so much and happy riddling.